Oo, talagang si Gab, diba? Ganyan naman yung bate.
May lifetime na.
Ang ganda na.
Sa Mines View, maganda kayo ng points. Mabuwis.
Kaya bang sa Mines View?
Tanong mo sa Kevin.
Wait, nadadalo Mines View?
Ayun.
Wow! 100 ka pagka may nanood.
Ay, wait, wala akong load. Pero,
El Catamilo.
Ngay-ngay. Ngay-ngay.
hindi ko alam.
Lime? Lime ba yun?
Hello.
Pero ang alam,
Hey babe, what is it?
No one.
ang alam ko.
We're going to Bicol. Ay, Bicol.
Meron ko ka? Huwag ka magkuko nagbabiyahe tayo eh.
Hindi ako nagkukon. May sobrang
Dalawa na akong viewers, 100
Huwag ka
na.
daw magkukon, nagbabiyahe.
Hindi, sobrang balat lang yung tirang ito.
Bakit, diba?
May dalawa na akong viewers.
Hello. Are you good in this ride? Are you good? Are you good in this ride?
Oh yeah. It's all good.
Are you guys excited?
Yes, very much. How about you? Are you excited also, Gab, Tashi?
Yeah. Ay,
Welcome to Tashi Vlogs. I'm Elena for reals.
Welcome to Tashi.
And Kevin's for free.
Kevin for free. So anong first destination?
ito yung sinasabi ko, tita din na mahaba.
Okay.
Church plan.
Bell Church.
Wow! Banana! Wow!
Tama ka ba sa Bell Church niya? Una. Sa Bell Church daw ang una?
Oo, si Mama Benji nagsabi.
Yung may pinakamala. Ay, sunflowers. Oh.
Nangangawit na ako, di ba the
Wild. Those are wild.
Ang ganda picturean oh, pag nandito ka. Bakit yan oh? We're going up to Santo sa temple. Guys, we're in Bell Church. We're in Bell Church in Baguio. May bayad daw.
May bayad parking. May bayad din. Saan? Dito, ano?
25 pesos for parking, 20 pesos for the per head.
Mayroon ata silang wheelchair para...
Tatay nandyan.
Wheelchair? Is there a wheelchair here?
Basta yung mga bata.
May wheelchair pa ata.
On top.
There's some CR there for him, but if you prefer to
I can wait. I think we have to work.
go,
Yeah, let's go.
let's go.
Pwede na daw po mauna. We can go first. We can go first. Pag mo siya hawakan, pag maano na po siya, hawakan niyo na po. Yan po ang sabi ni
Hi! Let's go, babe.
there's a picture. Wait.
Lobat na si Johnny.
O din.
si Johnny.
Sabi daw ni Lolo, uwi na daw tayo.
Uwi na talaga tayo.
Oh, ate, get me a picture. Get me a picture. Oh, do not enter. Do not enter daw.
Me too, I got tired. There's a CR.
Let's go.
After 13 years, Uncle T is back.
Wow. Wow. Oh, there's a fountain, but it's weak.
Gemma will accompany me.
Gabi, galing ka?
Car. Our car. Lama ambon.
Ate, ikaw na.
Umalis ka dyan, magpipicture. Umalis ka dyan. Pupunta pa tayo sa pinaka-top. Yay! Hindi ako mapapagod. Picture kita dyan, butas mo? Doon na lang sa pinaka-taas.
Hindi dyan.
Doon na lang. Doon na.
Pasok kayo sa church, tita na.
Last time, there were no tours here.
No, last time it was just very boring.
Diyan, hindi ka magpipicture. Pabigay mo ang picture. Uy. Guys, we're going up.
Gab, huwag kayong maghahabulan kasi madulas.
Apo.
Ate, pag tumabutok-buto sa way,
Oh my.
You should not run
Not run.
because it's slippery here.
Pag ako na ano dito, may tatawa dyan dalawa.
Alam mo na kung sino.
Oo.
Anong kulay ng damit?
Dalawang black.
Dalawang black. Magkapatid pa siya. Kambal, di ba yan?
Kambal yan. Bell. Buddha. Si Buddha. Buddha. Umalis ka dyan. Parang gusto ko na bumaba ah. Ako nga rin, napapagod ako.
Diyan o. Yung trees.
Kay Nino, malit kayo.
pinit ko ng pinto art.
Mataas ba sa pinto art?
Hindi naman ganito kataas, pero puro
Si Uncle. Where's Uncle? Parang... Ano lang? Ayun dyan na pala siya. Hello! Hello, Uncle T! Here! Here! We're here! Bawal kami ito sa bulaklak. Ha, bawal. Bawal? Ang cute oh. Pero pupunta tayo madaming bulaklak mamaya. Sa botanical. Botanical pa. Ay, akit pa sila. Ay, Uncle T. The bars are cold.
Cold?
Yep. Hello, vlog.
At least the steps are not that steep, isn't it?
Oh! Oh! Sapatos ko.
What happened to your shoes?
It's getting dirty. Sabi ko na, mag-crocs na lang ako eh. Ayun na naman. Hindi gab yung ano lang yun.
You buy magic eraser, the Mr. Clean magic eraser, and then you can wipe it.
Let's go! Papalo sa akin.
Parang kilala ko sino papalo sa iyo.
Uy, ganda.
Yung pasaway na nasa likod.
Ito. Yan ako to, papatalas ko to. Ang ganda na. Kung mapapanood mo yung mga vlog namin nila, Gab, sabi niya, yan ka na naman, pakit ka na naman. Kasi lagi ako pag may camera, sabi ko. Gorot Stone Kingdom. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Well, not all the way, but we can go a little way.
Okay. Wait, let's wait for Mommy Erin. Wait, what's this? Oh shit. Tita Ni, may fear of heights ako.
Ha?
May fear of heights ako.
Wag na. Do you want it?
Uy, ayoko. Sabi ni Tita Ni, wag na daw kasi may fear of heights ako. Bawal lang may fear of heights.
Oy, dito lang oh. Ganda no.
Nagkain to. Igorot Kingdom. Kingdom. Hello, Tashi. Ay, hello, Tashi. Hello!
Where are we?
In Igorot.
Where are we?
Where are we, Tashi?
Igorot Stone Kingdom. Oh, there's costume for Igorot. Hello! Hello!
Oh, like it.
Hello, Mark.
It's just like. Yeah, mine's view.
Can we get through here?
Sakay ako sa horse. I want to ride horse. Where's your mom? Oh. Kailangan ba ng pera?
Ayun oh.
50 solo, plus group 100. 100 group. Smile. Next, thumbs up.
Papa picture guys, dito po pwede kayo mag-abot po ng phone, wala pong bayad, no? Para all group na po kayo.
Wag na naman ako sa'yo pag... Tita Ni!
Ano yan? Ayusin mo gabi, hindi nakikita. Wait lang. Wait lang, di kita.
Effortless. Mingming! 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 Hindi, nag-fake dead po yan. Mingming. Ming.
Sabi niya sa horse lang kayo lagi ah.
Ming.
Bye! Picture kita dito ba?
Ming.
Hindi ka na inatake na yan?
Hindi po.
Tulog lang.
Ano po yan? Fake dead lang yan.
Oh,
Picture. Baka may keychain. Baka may keychain.
here. Oh.
Saan kayo?
Picture mo natin. I will go down there. Jemmer is probably saying,
Where is it?
behind you. This is a
Yeah,
very
he's like a
far-
ninja.
So everybody's this is just more for picture taking. I want something that's more cultural information. I guess nobody is offering that here. I'm not sure, you know, like some information, like a attraction information. See, there's nothing there. It's only panoramic view, coffee in the sky. That's it. There's no like some
What's
explanation.
Sicily?
I don't know.
Sweet bird.
Babe, look.
Look at what?
It's
What?
trying to crumble. They're still probably working on it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
See your Jets fan.
Ang cute ni Gab.
Left hand, father here.
Thumbs up.
Mama! Left hand! Japanese! One more keychain.
Let's head back. Oh, Uncle T found a friend. Well, out of respect for people in public, you know, I don't wanna.
But I'm Colin, by the way, so we aren't being weird. Yeah.
No.
Terrell,
You're not weird, you're
Terrell
friendly.
Owens, right?
My name is Elena.
Delena?
Elena.
Elena.
Pam. Hi, Pam. Your kid?
Yeah, the kids. This one. That's my
Oh, you have three.
Batman's
You don't.
our
Ah, okay.
Wait, that's my sister.
Ah, okay. Nice meeting you, Pam and
Colin.
Colin.
No, I'm from Tarlac City.
Okay.
Tarlac is how many hours? I saw it on the way here.
3 or 4 hours.
3 hours for
Without traffic, 2.5 to 3 hours. With traffic, is there traffic?
Yeah,
Where
yeah.
Where you from?
I'm actually from. I was born in Bicol,
Yeah.
but I grew up in Quezon City, Manila, and then lived. I think I stayed for a while in Marikina before I migrated.
So you live over there now.
Yes,
States?
I've been in the US for 20 years. This is my 20th year.
Mike's wife is Filipino from
Oh, yeah?
QC, and she's been over there for about 35 years.
Yes,
We
yes.
still talk. We're still friends.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's nice. I'm
Yeah.
trying to get her over there now.
Yeah,
Trying.
I'm trying to encourage her to go back here. Just
Ah.
visit Philippines.
Ah, okay.
Mike's wife has been here since 2002.
Oh, wow.
Been long.
It's been a long time. So much has changed. I haven't been home for 8 years, and I could barely remember some stuff, some streets. It looks so different. But you know, you gotta be careful talking about it because people might not appreciate it.
Yeah. But there's a lot of changes.
There's so many, yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is like
Yeah,
say
homemade from home.
the conveniences of the U.S. Like 90% of it is a little bit missing, of course, but it's Baguio. Oh, Baguio. This is my favorite place here. I can tell our accent she's Filipina because I'm married to a Filipina. And so I was like, "Are you from the Philippines?" She's like, "Yeah."
It's
And so,
unexpected.
yeah, no
We lost
dating website,
communication
nothing like
December.
that.
We didn't either.
December, right?
Yeah.
We lost communication December
Yeah,
2022.
Yeah.
Then we reconnected May last year, 2023.
Yeah.
He's going in a divorce.
Ah,
I was already divorced at that point. I was getting divorced.
Getting the divorce.
Not because of her.
But he have a girlfriend before him.
this is awesome. I get to interview
He
this
had a girlfriend
couple.
from Sudan.
Is it
Oh,
called Destiny?
that was interesting. Huh?
Is it called Destiny?
I don't know what it's called.
Fate?
Yeah.
I'm a non-believer, so I don't know what I think, but
But it's
whatever.
okay. Look.
Is it okay to post this story?
It's okay.
Love story.
How we gone so far?
I don't think anybody. You couldn't make it up. You really can't.
From a phone call
Yeah, here we are,
forever.
getting married. So
Nice.
once, divorce is gonna be passed here. It looks like. I'm hoping.
Bakit ang hilig mo sa keychain?
Namana niya kay Lolo, mga souvenir.
magtatanong sa kanya, magkano? 20 lang.
Magkano po isa?
So, ilan ang binili mo? 7?
7 for 100. Pero yung kagabi,
Ilan na to?
111 pieces.
Nakuha niya, binili niya rin 11?
Hindi, hati-hati ka. 5, 6.
Ba't nawala na sa'yo yung binigay ko? Ba't wala na sa kanya?
Wala na magka-catch na.
He's really active. Okay, I got worried for a while. Let's go, ready? So our second...
Ano, tikpet?
We're gonna get lunch beef.
Okay.
I don't know, they know. They know the best. Is it good? I like it.
Masarap. Pero yung kahapon, walang strawberry beets.
So the one they bought is just
Flavor.
but this one has a strawberry.
Doon, dito entrance. Paakyat yan eh. O, dyan na lang daw. Meron din dito.
Eh no, may hagdan din.
Yung hagdan na maano po, hindi siya lalakad.
Si Lolo daw. Tulungan mo. Ikaw na kasi. Oo, tulungan mo si Lolo.
Hindi alam.
Mustang.
Hindi. Mitsubishi. Hindi, Mitsubishi yan.
That's a famous.
O, tama naman siya, Mitsubishi nga. Sabi naman nila, Toyota. Mitsubishi Evolution. Tulog na, iihi ako. Ayun na, ganun patulog sa puso. Full of keychain. This is cute.
Hey babe, Benji's here says that had he realized that you are fascinated with the folklore, ghost stories as well, we should have stayed in teacher's camp.
Oh.
Remember we went there? We went there. But we were not allowed.
American camp yun. US camp. Facilities. Teachers camp.
Iba ba natin,
And
di ba?
babe, he said that next time we come here, try this.
Oh, okay.
Because it's within the area. It's not too far away. Like, I mean, the house is perfect for us. But
So far.
it's
8 kilometers.
see, these are all the. I think George. Oh, hey, look. Ate, did you see that?
Ang gaganda.
Alam mo maganda po kung ikaw gagawa nito.
Okay, crochet. Ang ganda nga.
Ang lambot.
Parang gusto ko tuloy.
Magkano?
850.
850 lang?
Hindi, 2.5 nga to.
Ito 850.
Ay, kasi maganda talaga siya.
Pulido.
At saka may
kasi?
lining. Ang ganda ng lining, oh.
Ito kasi pang ano lang, pang beach sana.
Beach ba to?
Hindi. Gusto ko.
Ako kung bibiliin ko to, lalagyan ko ng mga libro yan eh.
Kutsap na, pag ginawa mo to, mabuting nga ilang buwan.
Parang gusto ko.
Oo, yung binabayaran mo dyan, yung skills eh, di ba? Kamay yan, di ba?
Oo, kamay
Hindi
to.
lang
Manual
yan
to.
machine eh. Oo.
Crochet. Botanical garden.
I can hang out right here.
Uy, souvenir. Baka may keychain. Guys, we're in Mines View Park.
Walang bayad si Lolo?
$10 pa.
10 lang. 10 din si Lolo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 lang ang may bayad. Sigab wala.
9 meron, $5. 95. Sige, pasok na po. Diretso na. Meron po sir, dun sa likod ng welcome, yung ride na po po.
Basta 95 ko. Kasi 9 na out.
Bibili ka ba doon?
Gab, Gab. I-vlog po kami. Uy, keychain.
Tuloy-tuloy ako.
Keychain.
Tingin ka na naman.
Tama na. Lo, pasan? Hindi dito, Lo.
Dito tayo pantay.
Yan mo na. Nakikita ko bang espada lang.
Paano gusto ko nga?
Ganda na.
Tapos saan tayo punta sa niya?
Oh, really?
Everlasting.
Nasaan si Ante?
Ay!
Hi, vlogger.
Hi! Humabol pa, 100 daw siya, nanonood daw siya.
Hi! Kumusta?
JJ's Lola.
Oh.
My mom's youngest sister.
Yes, salamat niyo po.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Inaasar mo naman si Ana. Yeah. Kasi pag na-stress, kukulot ulit. Arte mo? Sabi sa akin ng anak, arte mo. Uy, mamaya, mag-video call ka, B. Ano oras? Yeah. Oo. Bye. Ang ate mo. Bye-bye, Alma. Bye-bye, ante.
Wow. Ito na naman yung paso.
Ito.
Ayan yung asong pinicturean na picture kami.
Madali magbuhay yung alam.
Ate.
Pumunta ka doon sa kabayo. Hindi ka.
Sama mo siya sa kabayo. Nasa sila, hindi na sila bababa.
Oh, may CR na. Ano yan? Horse.
Tapos tumayo ka dito. Dito ka. Kayo na lang, wag na si Lolo. Kayo na lang nila, JJ.
Sama ko.
Kayo apat. Ayaw.
Tayo lang.
Hawak ka dyan.
Parang ayoko ah.
Ikaw ka. Ayaw niya?
We're here at the, ano to? Mines
View. Espada nyo.
Let's go. Hindi, nag-picture pa sila. Mga picture din ako. Sila
Talaga? Dalawa naman. Hindi mo din na.
Sige, saan dyan?
Ako nga din.
Dali, alim siya.
Saan? Doon?
Hindi, wag na. Di bali ang mag-filter.
Kaya talaga tayo nag-glass.